Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. This is just a really quick demonstration of the TOPDON ARTIDIAG 800. We're in a BMW Mini Countryman right now, and we have the check engine light showing on the dashboard there. Real quick way of getting access to the engine fault codes is to just plug your tool into the diagnostic port and click on the OBD2 option, and this should give you access to the... I'll come out of all of this, sorry. We've just been doing previous demonstrations on this particular vehicle. So there we go. So we go to OBD2 and it's going to connect to the vehicle. So it's telling us the MIL status is on, which is the malfunction indicator light, and there's one code in this ECU. So we'll click OK to that. We go read fault code. So it's giving us a pending and a current fault code. P0103 is the code. Mass or volume airflow A circuit high. So we found that there was a faulty mass airflow sensor which we've replaced in this vehicle, and now what we need to do is just basically back out of this, and we need to go to clear fault code. So if we clear fault code, do you want to clear the fault codes? Click yes. DTCs have been cleared. Click yes to that. The check engine light is still there though, as you can see. What we need to do basically is just start the engine and we should see it turn off. So we start the engine and hopefully the check engine light should turn off, which it has done. So that's a good success, and that's all thanks to the TOPDON ARTIDIAG 800, which, as I say, I'm going to put the link to in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones on the market, so if you want to make sure that you're getting a genuine and official product, please make sure that you do use the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.